Hello everyone, and welcome to the PhotoPDF software tutorial. We're going to walk through the simple, quick steps of converting your photos into PDF files. On the main screen, you'll see 3 tabs on the left that represent the 3 ways you can convert your images. The first is Batch Convert. This mode converts each photo into its own individual PDF file. Next is Photos Merge. This is perfect for combining multiple photos into one single multi-page PDF document. The last is Thumbnail Page. This generates a professional PDF index page complete with photo thumbnails. For this guide, we'll demonstrate the batch convert operation. The process for Photos Merge and Thumbnail Page is very similar. Let's switch to the Batch Convert tab now. First, we need to select the photos you want to convert. Click the plus button on the left panel to browse and add your files, or simply drag and drop your photos directly into the list area. Now let's customize your output. You can set key conversion parameters here, including paper size, resolution, compression, brightness, and contrast. To protect your images, you can add a text watermark. Type your custom text or select one from the provided list. You can then fully customize the font style, color, and text effect. Choose where to place the watermark, in a corner, centered, or listed diagonally over the photo. Almost done! Specify the output folder where your new PDF files will be saved. Once all your settings are finalized, click the Start Conversion button at the bottom. And there you have it! Your photos are now converted into A4-sized PDF files matching the parameters we set earlier. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to use PhotoPDF to simplify all your photo to PDF needs.